Hello guys, welcome to a new video. This is actually a new recording, since I didn't check the fucking microphone. So I filmed for 30 minutes without any audio. Yeah, like what the hell? Upper incoming for landing and daytime. So I explained without audio first bit, which where's that? I was gonna build a megabyte base and someone seemed to have died here. Convenient for me, not for them, but for me. So yeah, the coughing is still there. So yeah, I've started on it here. So now it's just about finishing it. So yeah, bit sucky. Don't know why OBS does that. Time to build. So what I want to do is a mega base, which sort of goes around. So it needs food, which is gonna be here. The other side is probably not gonna be included, since that will be very problematic. Like, I understand that this place will probably get griefed, but yeah, I don't really care. This is basically my project, so I don't really care. It's like anyways meant to be grief, kinda. Technically living in a base is griefing. So who really cares? Move along, employee. You apparently has business here. Fuck. Yeah, the coughing is still prevalent somewhat. So yeah, I hope it goes sooner or later. But yeah, essentially mega base. That people can just like come here, no, don't really care about the place. If it gets griefed, then it gets griefed. That's like the fun of it. It's like, yeah, the base hold up a while. So like, yeah, I don't want it to be griefed right now, but like nobody really wants their base to be griefed. But griefing is just a way of life. It's just gonna happen. So it's like either not accept it, get griefed, or accept it and still get griefed, but now okay with it. So we need some defenses called fridges. The best of defenses. So they look like Legos and stack like a 2. So yeah, food court done. So now just to build this defense. Which is oh yeah, I should probably show how to make mini houses like SAP mini houses so you can survive. Because those would probably pull off a lot better and my channel may get some views. Yeah, those are apparently rare. Photo risk weird bugs, but no, they're full-fledged in the code. So yeah, this is one of the most simple mini houses which I like to make, where essentially all you need is one of these places, and then it's like a few materials to block it up, you know. I can't really use the materials in here, like all of them aren't gonna be enough. For most. So you essentially build it up. And you do have food forever. And we're a small time. Yeah, like no time left. Door. Then remember free food. So you can make a roof, but it's just you can essentially grab the TV, rotate it, slant it a bit, boom. So yeah, this is maybe not the best, but it works. I'll probably make it on my private server. so I have the materials. But yeah, this is basically it. It's one house. But yeah, it's gonna be the shorter 10 minutes shorter. Which is alright. So anyways, see y'all tomorrow on the 22nd, where it will be a special event. So a special thing, since it's 3 days to Christmas, 2 days for me, and school is over. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow and stay cool like in here. Bye.